This is the submission for Group 28 of the Squared Online. Quickly, I'm going to talk about the fashion industry and the opportunity that is available where we are playing in our innovation. This particular industry is expected to peak about $2.4 trillion according to McKinsey Global Fashion Index. And opportunity exists that is going to grow at a 3.5 compound annual growth rate till 2025. Now, if we look at the problem, which talks about um, the fashion industry is the second dearest industry when you, especially when you talk about second to oil industry that cause pollution. So our solution is mainly to look at how we can get the world out of this pollution, combining environmental friendly clothing with clothing that can provide clean energy to people. Um, because clothing is something that cuts across everybody, which is a basic necessity of life. We have looked at who are the core target audience when you talk about sustain wear. And according to Professor Conrad in LIM College, the two segments that fit into this are the Generation Y and Generation Z. Also looking at Nielsen Total Audience Report of Q1 2017, the combination of these two segments actually provide about 3.5 billion population opportunity when we look at the total global population at 7.4 billion. And looking at the target persona, these two segments actually live on digital. So they're digital natives and they embrace diversity and individuality when it comes to fashion. So they are open to new innovations and brands when it comes to clothing. For our brand mission, which is the why, how, and the what framework, we're looking at opportunity to care for the future of our planet by giving choices and producing fashionable clothing that not only produce energy but are totally biodegradable. Our business model is actually using the canvas model, which gives us a unique value of providing clothing that promote sustainability and reduce pollution for the environment. Our social strategy is looking at driving awareness for the brand as a disruptive brand and taking account these two segments who are the Generation Y and the Generation Z. We hope to leverage the Instagram as the popular app for brand discovery. We talks about 45% of the young teens all over the world that look to find new product. So it is clear from our social strategy that based on this platform, we're able to reach our target audience. And how we plan to do that is to attract this potential audience through content marketing. What we try to drive as a content is based on two approaches, underlining our online audience and focus on relevance of trends. So we'll be looking at how we can leverage our content to drive awareness for this particular segment. And finally is to drive influencer marketing through Instagram. So for example, if we can create a concert that would leverage electricity from clothing everybody is wearing without generating its own power. Finally, SUSTAINWEAR is mobile, and the way we want to do this is actually how to leverage different graphs and metric when it comes to how to filter how you generate power. So, for example, we can create gamification areas with this that talks about who generates the highest power and able to have access to gifts and discounts in stores. This is the summary of what we have provided. We hope you will look at it and give us feedback. Thank you.